Chapter 13. Finding a place. Get set. 1. What is a book containing maps called? 2. What is the full form of GPS? 3. Who is a cartographer? You can easily find your way in your home and also in your school. This is because both your home and school are small. The best way to know how to get to one place from another is to remember some landmarks. A landmark is a place or thing that you can easily recognize. It could be a temple, a hospital, a milk booth, a pond, or even a tree. Sketch. Here is a sketch Rohan made for Anjali when he invited her for a birthday party. He marked some important landmarks in the sketch to help Anjali find her way. A sketch is a rough drawing of an area. It shows some important places or landmarks you can easily see. But it does not tell you how far one place is from another. School, post office, hospital, market, church, telephone exchange. Rohan found it difficult to draw all the landmarks on the way from Anjali's house to his house. So he used some symbols. A symbol is a sign or letter that stands for something. He wrote the meaning of the symbols at the bottom of the sketch. When you use symbols in a sketch, you must explain what they mean at the bottom or top of the sketch. This explanation of symbols is called a key. That's simple, said Anjali, after looking at the sketch. I turn left from my house and then right from the school. I keep going straight past the post office until I come to the hospital. Then I turn right. Then I go to past the market and keep going straight until I come to the church. I turn left from the church and go on until I reach the telephone exchange. Then I take the street opposite the telephone exchange and your house is the third one on the left. Plans. A plan is a detailed drawing of a small area. It may be of a house, a building, a market, or a residential area. A residence is a house. A residential area is a place where people have their houses. Maps. A map is a drawing of a large area. The area could be a town, a country, or the world. A map is different from a plan. We draw plans for small areas like a house or a colony. We draw maps for large areas like a town or a country. A book of maps is called an atlas. A map is different from a sketch too. A sketch is a rough drawing. It does not show the distance between two places or how far one place is from the other. A map is a more exact drawing. It tells you the distances between places. A scale on the map tells you how to find distances. For the map of a country, it may say that a distance of 1 centimeter on the map is actually 200 kilometers. In the map of a town, it may say that a distance of 1 centimeter means 1 kilometer. Importance of maps. A map gives a small picture of a very large place. It shows us all the possible ways of reaching a place and also a route to follow and reach our destination in the shortest time. It helps us to calculate the distance between two places. A map is a guide to a place we have not visited before. Maps show all landmarks and give directions to reach a particular place. Maps give us information about distances, heights, mountains, rivers, and shapes of places or destinations. We can also mark things or information such as crops, weather reports, direction of the wind and rainfall on maps. Giving directions with reference to a map. There are 4 main directions: north, south, east, and west. Directions are very useful when we use a map. All maps have north at the top, south at the bottom, east towards the right, and west to the left. Compass is an instrument which helps in finding directions. It has a needle which always points towards the north. If we want to direct someone to a particular place, we may also use words such as right, left, straight, in front, and behind. These are called direction words. Maps and symbols. A symbol is a small picture on a map which represents landform mark. For example, to show a forest on a map, we may draw symbol. The map key tells us what a symbol stands for. Often the key provides a little description saying what that symbol means. So, we can say that the key helps us to read the map correctly. Railway line, roads, international boundary, state boundary, river, well, temple, church, mosque, post office, police station, trees, grass. Did you know? On a map, colors can be used to show different things. Usually, blue is used to show rivers and oceans, green is used to show forests, and brown is used to show mountains. Summary. Maps are drawings which show where different places are located. The map of a room or building is called a plan. There are 4 main directions: north, south, east, and west. Landmarks are important places on a map which help in providing directions. The symbol is a small picture on a map which represents a landmark. The map key helps us in understanding the symbols. Exercise. A. Tick the correct option. 1. How many main directions are there? A. 3, B. 4, C. 5. 2. The map of a building is called A. Landmark, B. Symbol, C. Plan. 3. Which of the following represents a landmark? A. Symbol, B. Key, C. Map. 4. A book of many maps is called A. A dictionary, B. An atlas, C. A guidebook. 5. Left, right, and straight are A. Symbols, B. Landmarks, C. Direction words. B. Fill in the blanks. 1. A is a place or a thing that you can easily recognize. 2. The explanation of symbols used in a map is called A. 3. A is a sign or letter that stands for something. 4. A is a detailed drawing of a small area. 5. The map key helps us in understanding the 6. A book of is called an atlas. C. Tick the correct sentences and cross the wrong one. 1. Explanation of symbols is called a key. 2. Symbols are signs or letters of landmarks. 3. A map is very similar to plan and sketch. 4. A plan is detailed drawing of a large area. 5. There are 2 main directions. D. Answer the following questions. 1. What is a map? 2. How do we use symbols on a map? 3. Write the difference between a map and a sketch. 4. What does the scale of map help you find? 5. If you face the north, what is the direction to your right? 6. Discuss the importance of maps. Activity. 1. Why do you think symbols, and not actual pictures or descriptions, are used to depict landmarks on maps? 2. Which direction from your house is your favorite? Why? 3. Who was the first person to sail around the world and establish that the earth is indeed round in shape? Read about him and discuss in the class. You may look up books in your library or search on the internet with the help of an adult. 4. Draw or paste pictures of symbols to represent the following. A. Traffic light. B. Washroom. C. School canteen. D. Library. E. Forest. F. River. G. Park. Life skill. If someone has lost his/her way and asks you for directions, you will A. Not answer. B. Point out the directions. C. Tell the direction even if you don't know them.